Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this colored frontal wig. So if you're interested, continue watching. So shout out Arabella Hair Company for sending over this package. I'm just showing you guys exactly what I received. So I got a wig cap, some eyelashes. I'm just going to show them to you guys. I got a melt band, a hair clip, an edge control brush, and of course the wig itself. So they called this wig the Money Piece Highlight Wig. It was like a burgundy color and it had a highlight streak at the front. So it was super cute, and this was a Bodywave textured wig in 24 inches. So as you can see, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, and I'm just showing you guys inside the wig. So we have two combs at the side, one comb in the middle, and one comb in the back. We also have an adjustable band inside. So I'm just showing you how the lace looks on my skin. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It was super nice and it was soft as well, guys. And let's get into this install. So first things first, you always want to make sure that your hair is braided back in some flat braids. Then I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just spraying my hairline and using my edge control brush to brush back any hairs that might be in the way. Next, I'll be going in with my wig cap, so I'm just going to put it over my braids and just slide it slightly back so you can see my hairline. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer and my makeup brush, and I am just going to brush some of the concealer on the top portion of my wig cap at the front where the frontal will be sitting, and I'm also going to be putting it on the wig as well. Once that's done, I am just going to cut off the extra lace at the back of the wig because you do not need it. And then I'm going to use the adjustable bands that come inside the wig, and I'm just going to adjust it to my head size just to make sure it fits well, so you can adjust it to make it looser or tighter. And then I'm going to put the wig on. So once the wig's on and it's fitting your head properly, you just want to go ahead and part out your ear tabs and cut off any extra lace that is around your ears. Once I finish cutting my ear tabs, I'm going to go ahead and pull the wig back a bit, and then I'm going in with my Ebon adhesive spray, and I'm spraying right in front of my hairline, and this is going to allow the wig to stay on my head. So once I've sprayed it, I'm just going to pull the wig back up and place it where I want it to be. And once that's done, I'm going in with my blow dryer and I'm just going to dry the wig down while it's sitting in the adhesive spray. So now you can see me spraying on top of the wig with the adhesive spray. And that's just because now I could see exactly where it's sitting. And then I'm using my melt band to tie it down. So while I'm waiting for the hairline to dry, I'm just trying to figure out where exactly I wanted to part my hair. I decided to do a side part. So I'm just going in with my blow dryer. I'm blow drying the hair because I am going to go in with my flat iron and do some flat iron curls. But before that, I am going in with my Dax and my Bio Silk, and I'm going to put that all over the hair. And because you always want to make sure your frontal is flat, you are going to go in with your wax stick and your hot comb, and you're just going to part it. As you can see, I'm putting the wax stick on basically the root of the hair, and then I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm pressing it down. That way it is super flat. So once I finish laying the frontal with the wax stick and the hot comb, I'm just going to remove my melt band, and then I'm gonna cut off the extra lace at the front. So I did go in with scissors and I just cut it in the middle, and then I'm going in with my razor and I'm just razoring off the extra lace. Once that's done, I'm going in with my Spritz and I'm going to spray it on the hairline to allow for a better blend. And then I'm going back in with my melt band and I'm going to tie it down. And once I tie it down, I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry it. So I decided to leave the front portion to dry, and I'm going in with my TRESemmé holding spray, and I'm just spraying it all over my hair because I will be curling it. So I'm just sectioning the hair, and I'm using my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium 3000 flat iron to curl the hair. And this is just going to make some nice loose curls. So once I've finished curling the hair, I'm just going to remove my melt band and just apply some more of that concealer that was on my makeup brush onto the hairline. And then I'm just using my fingers to brush the curls out. So as you can see, it turned into some nice loose curls, which I absolutely loved. Then I'm going in with a little bit of concealer and the end of my tail comb, and I'm going to just follow my part. I just feel like adding the concealer to the part just allows it to look more crisp. And then I'm going in with my gloss spray from Argan Oil. I like to put it on the hairline as well as on the hair. And then of course, I like to finish off my hairstyles with my olive oil sheen. So I'm just going to show you guys the final look. So this is how it's looking, guys. I thought it was super cute. It was definitely different. I love doing colored wigs. So I want to say shout out again to Arabella Hair Company for sending over this unit. All the details will be down in my description box below. If you want to check it out, go ahead, click the link. All the hair details will be down there for you guys to see. So yeah, as you can see at this point, I was feeling myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.